doesn't take much to drive safely. Let me tell you how. Why do we need to wear seatbelts? If you don't use seatbelts, you put your lives in danger, even in an airbag-equipped vehicle. I can show you how to properly wear your seatbelt in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Move the seat upright. Adjust your seat to find your most comfortable position. If you're the driver, don't sit too close to the steering wheel. Step 2. Adjust your headrest. Make sure it's slightly higher than your ears to avoid whiplash injury. And step 3. Adjust the belt anchor to avoid the shoulder belt from resting against your neck. Keep the lap belt over your hips. And make sure everyone in the car does the same. If you have a pregnant passenger, extend the shoulder belt completely over the shoulder to avoid the belly, and wear the lap belt as low as possible over the hip. There are also child restraints available for toddlers called ISOFIX. It's easy to install and will make driving that much more fun for you and your kids. Now you're ready to drive. Thumbs up for safety!